In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put your Etsy shop on vacation. If you're stepping away for a trip, a restock, or just need a pause. Vacation mode is the built-in way to temporarily hide your listings while keeping your shop intact. You'll still be able to message customers and existing orders remain in your queue, but new orders won't come in while you're away. Here's how to turn it on smoothly and set clear expectations for your buyers. Start by heading to Etsy.com and sign in to the account that owns your shop. It helps to double-check you're in the right profile, especially if you manage more than one shop or share a device. Once you're in, click Shop Manager at the top of the page. This takes you to the seller dashboard, where you manage orders, listings, finances, and settings. From the Shop Manager sidebar, click Settings. This is where you control core preferences for your shop, including policies and public messages. Inside Settings, choose Options. Options is the section that holds several tabs, and one of those is dedicated to vacation mode. Next, click Vacation Mode. You'll see controls that let you switch your shop's availability and customize the message people see when they land on your storefront during your break. Turn on the setting that puts your shop on vacation. When you activate it, your listings are no longer purchasable, but your shop page stays visible with an announcement. Etsy will also indicate that you are away, which helps set the right expectations for shoppers. Add a clear note to announce your vacation and the duration. This message displays on your shop page while vacation mode is active. Keep it friendly and specific. Include your return date, whether you'll be checking messages, and any guidance about outstanding orders. For example, you might say you're away until a particular date. You'll reply within a certain time frame and current orders will ship as planned. Type in your shop highlight or headline to reinforce the key information in a short, eye-catching line. Think of this as a concise banner message that quickly tells visitors what they need to know at a glance, like, on vacation until date, messages checked weekly. Finally, click Save. Give the page a moment to update, then refresh your shop to confirm the vacation banner and message are visible. That's it. Your shop is now safely paused while keeping customer communication open. Before you sign off, make sure any unshipped orders have clear timelines. Consider using quick replies for common questions, and note your return date in your calendar so you can resume business without missing a beat.